Dude, man, you sprayed me.
I just sneezed on you, bro. My bad, bro. It got on you?
Yeah.
Achoo! Achoo!
Hey, what's good, YouTube? I said I'm back at it with another video. Hey, I said I'm back at it with another video, nigga. Today's video, nigga, I don't be going on act like I'm sneezing on strangers and shit. Whole time, just random. We about to get a real mad though, but this is gonna be a short little intro. And go to the channel, like and subscribe, nigga. Roll to 10K for real, nigga. We going to the top. And you already know. Hit that subscribe button, nigga. We going to the top for sure.
Achoo!
Dude, man, you sprayed me.
I just sneezed on you, bro. My bad, bro. It got on you?
Yeah.
Bro, my bad, bro. I'm kind of sick. I just like to sneeze on strangers. If that make any sense.
What's that?
I like to sneeze on strangers. That make any sense.
Dude, you want to get fucked up. That's what you want to get.
Bro.
You fuck away from
Bro.
that, bro.
Bro,
You can apologize like a man would.
Bro,
Don't be gaming me with that shit.
I got COVID, bro.
Yeah. How about that? How about I sue your stupid monkey ass?
Y'all just hear what he just said?
Yeah,
Hey, and it's on the video. He racist.
Yeah, that's right.
Hey, he racist. Hey, he racist. He tripping. He racist in this bitch. This nigga tripping. He just hey, get this racist nigga out of here. Nah, bro, it's a video. It's a video. You tripping. Nah, bro, you tripping. Yeah, it is gonna go on YouTube and it's going viral. What? Are you walking away? I just sneezed on you. You heard me? Did you hear me?
What?
Did you hear me? I just sneezed on you.
Yeah.
My bad, bro. I can't sneeze on you.
Whatever you want, man.
I can't sneeze on you.
Whatever you want, man.
Why not?
I'm trying to do my job here, all right?
All right, worker boy, do it. Give me an attitude, boy. Achoo. Achoo. I just sneezed on you, okay?
Yeah, you're fine, huh?
I can't sneeze on you.
Oh, you're fine, huh? What you doing?
I can't sneeze on you. I got COVID.
Oh, you do? I got AIDS.
Really? Dead ass?
I don't know.
Really? For real? You really got AIDS?
Yeah, dude.
Ah, damn, I feel bad now. Achoo. My bad. I just sneezed on you, bro. You okay? You all right? All right. Have a good one. Come on, we on the next. We on the next. My bad. Did I just sneeze on you?
Yeah.
You said what?
Yeah. I'm okay.
You okay?
You don't have no germs, do you?
No, I got COVID. I'm sorry if I just.
I get it sometimes.
So like, I can't sneeze on you.
I don't want to catch no cold.
But I can't sneeze on you though.
You sneeze on me. I'm going to do for different sake, bro. I'll get some white. I'll get you some white stuff.
Hey, I'm just joking with you. It's a video.
Shot me.
I just sneezed on you. My bad. Did I just hit you?
No, you squirted.
Nah. I'm sick. Like I'm real life sick. Why you walking away?
I'm walking around stupid.
Nah, I'm trying to apologize because I just sneezed on you.
Playing a game, get away from
I'm
me.
not. I can't say I apologize.
You're playing a game, go away.
But look, it's a video.
I don't care.
It's a. Right, she ain't fucking with the video. Let's lie. Hey, y'all better hit the like button and subscribe. I'm risking my life when I make these videos. Like, nigga just called me the M word. Y'all gonna see what I'm talking about though after this clip. But yeah, we about to find somebody though. Let's go. Ah, chew! My bad, bro. I just sneezed on you. My bad. You good, bro? Can I talk to you right quick? Bro, I can't sneeze on you. Why not? Bro, I'm a little sick. I can't sneeze on you. Bro, I ain't tripping. Hey, bro, look. It's a video, bro. I'm tripping, bro. He tripping. He tripping.
Few moments later.
It's just a video, bro. Bro, he tripping. He tripping, bro. He just put water on us, bro. We doing the video, bro. That nigga tripping. Bro, you gonna go to jail? Nah, you gonna go to jail, bro. Let's dip, bro. Let's slide. He tripping. He tripping in this bitch, bro. He tripping. He tripping. He tripping. We just got kicked out. I just got water thrown on at me, man. Unfortunately, so I think this probably gonna be the end of the video. Shit, but yeah, though that nigga was tripping. He threw water on me and my camera. But yeah, though, make sure you like, subscribe, and roll to 10K. Let's go.